In this video, we will learn how to use shortcut keys by keyboard. Let's start. This is my Excel sheet. If I want to use any option in this ribbons, then I just press the Alt. You can see here the shortcut keys automatically show. If you want to, if I want to go on Home tab, just after Alt, you press H. In H, all options show shortcut key. If I want to go in delete option, I just press D. You get here the delete option. I want to delete sheet rows, just press R. Okay, this is a way you can use. I will show you how to use it. Just I write here ABC Limited. Okay, now I want to just wait just a minute. Okay, I want to use the color on this ABC Limited name. Fill the cell in color. Okay, just press Alt, then press H. You can see here the H option for filling the color in cell. Just press again H and choose any color. You can move by arrow and select and just enter it. That's it. Okay. When you practice more on keyboard by using these shortcut keys, then then you can use the fastly. Okay. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you.